Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing. What is that? Holy! Today I'm going to be doing a life of the best slime seller. So I'm doing a little bit of my collection, like a quarter inch of my slime collection. In this video, it's not really a slime collection though. The rest are my dad, so don't ask for a slime review because I'm not going to be with him for quite a while. So yeah, let's get on. And I'll show you my slimes that my dad's like a different one. Because guys, I just don't film at my dad's. I just don't. So I'm not going to be planning to show you guys those. But maybe in a few weeks, maybe months. I don't know. Maybe a year, maybe a few years. I don't know. But let's get on.
Wow! New! I got slime package, guys! Wow! Yay! I got slime package! Yay! So guys, I'm gonna be opening this slime. I got a sneak peek. Sneak peek. So, yeah. I ordered some slimes. So yeah, let's see them. You guys can look at here so you can see them on my perfect apps. So let's do the sneak peek one first. Do the sneak peek? No. So, this is the slime. It's like pink. Wow! I like all the glitters in it, guys. Can you see all the glitters? Okay. So it's really quick. So listen. Guys, we're going to do a bubble. Woo! Just a minute. First, we're gonna do the pokiness because pokies are very good. Pokey dokies. Good clips. Okay, guys, that was very pokey dokey. It's kind of sticky because sometimes slime is like so hard and then it's not hard. That's sticky because someone's gonna put it in the fridge. Well, do you want to listen? I never knew that cookies were satisfying. That sucked. That sucked. Sorry guys, that was amazing. I know you guys were. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, we just need to do something. I just need to make my profile for this. It's so yeah. Take the hat off. No. Instagram post gets lots of things that says take my hat off. Look at this. right. Okay. So this one is Bloody Mary. Okay. It's a party in the USA. Ah. Okay. We're gonna do a few slime things with this one, poking it. Oh. Okay, next time. Party in the USA. Party in the USA. I got my hands up, playing a song, butterflies fly away. Not in my neck, yeah. Yay! For that one. Next one. Another big one. I think we did all the big ones. Ooh. This was called Skating with Barbie. Just kidding, I didn't even read it. It's called Shooting Stars. Wow, maybe I know why it's called Shooting Stars. Look at all the stars, guys. Look at all the stars. You can't see them. Yeah, it's really hard to see on camera. Okay, hopefully you saw that. You could see that, right? You better have it. Next time! Wow! Guys, I'll be making a part 2 if you want to go watch tomorrow.